Ethan, the impact of the accident caused severe trauma to your optic nerves. Right now, medically speaking, you are completely blind. There is a surgical procedure we can attempt.
What are the risks, doctor?
But I need to be entirely transparent with you both. It is a 50-50 chance. It might restore your sight completely, or it might not work at all. We just have to stay hopeful. 50-50.
50-50. A coin flip on whether I ever see the light of day again. I know it sounds daunting, Ethan, but medicine surprises us every day. We need to schedule this as soon as possible to give you the best shot.
And if it fails, doctor? What happens then? Is there really no backup plan?
If it fails, the damage will be permanent. He will remain blind for the rest of his life. That is why we must focus on the positive outcome.
Oh my God, Ethan, this can't be happening. We'll get through this, I promise.
Thank you, Maya. I don't know what I would do without you by my side through this darkness.
Don't talk like that, just rest, I'm right here. So what did the doctor say, Maya? How bad is his condition really? The accident completely affected his eyes. He's blind now. The doctor mentioned a surgery, but he said it's only a 50-50 chance. Oh, sweetie, I am so sorry to hear that. But honestly, I need to tell you the truth. That surgery isn't going to work.
What?
Doctors only give you those 50-50 numbers so you keep paying them.
Stop.
They never tell you the brutal truth. Right now is the best time for you to act fast and act smart. Jessica is completely right, Maya. You need to protect yourself and act fast. Take whatever and everything you want right now. Now that Ethan is blind, he is just going to be a total liability and a massive burden on your life. Are you guys sure that's what's best? He's my husband. Do you really want to stay and be a babysitter to a blind man for the rest of your life? Or do you want to actually live your life with someone who is complete? I've thought about it too. I just don't know what to do. It's simple. Find a strong, complete man to be by your side. Since Ethan is blind and can't see a single thing, you are his eyes now. He trusts you completely. Use that. Make him sign some documents.
Transfer some properties over to your name and move on with your new man.
That actually sounds like a very good plan.
Yes, Dr. Evans. I want to book the appointment for the surgery this week. But listen to me carefully. I don't want my wife to know a single thing about this. If the surgery works, I want it to be a beautiful surprise for her. And if it fails, I don't want to give her false hope. Let's keep it between us.
Who is that?
Just the hospital. The doctor asked me to come in for a routine checkup. He wants to run some tests. So I'll probably have to stay overnight and come back the following day.
Oh, should I follow you there?
Stay here, It's just a standard check.
All right, Ethan, today is the day. I'm going to unwrap the blindfold now. Keep your eyes closed until the layers are completely off, and when you open them, take your time. Okay, doctor? Okay, Ethan, slowly open your eyes. Doctor, I can see you. I can see the room. How does it look? Describe it to me. It's still a little blurry. The edges of everything are soft, like I'm looking through a thin mist. Congratulations, Ethan. The surgery was a success. It is completely normal for your vision to be a little blurry right now. Your optic nerves have been through a massive trauma, and the eyes need time to readjust to the light. I promise you, within a few weeks, with proper medication and rest, you will be totally healed. Totally healed. I can't believe it. Thank you so much, doctor. Thank you. You earned this victory, Ethan. You stayed hopeful. I need to get dressed. I can't wait to get back home and surprise my wife. She has been under so much stress lately. I didn't tell her about the surgery because I didn't want to give her false hope. But man, I know she is going to be incredibly happy when I walk through that door looking right at her. She's a lucky woman. Your driver is already outside waiting for you. Go home to your wife, Ethan. Just remember to take your drops. I will. Thank you, doctor.
My love, you're back. Ethan, you're back. How did the checkup go, sweetie? You didn't call me.
It went fine. The doctors just did some basic tests. I'm just very tired. I need to rest. Did we have a visitor today? It's like I'm perceiving a strong men's perfume in the air.
Oh, no, sweetie, no one is here. I'm completely alone. Oh my God, you guys have no idea. When he walked through that door yesterday, my heart literally stopped. I was so scared. But then I remembered
The idiot can't see a thing. Marcus didn't even leave. He passed the night right there in our house while Ethan was sleeping upstairs.
No way, seriously?
Oh my God, Maya. I know.
No way! He really didn't notice a thing.
Nothing. He asked about a perfume smell, and I just told him it was air freshener. He bought it completely.
No way, that's hilarious. See, what did we tell you? Maya, enjoy your life. The man is completely oblivious. Just get those property papers signed next week and you're free.
Ethan, how did you know?
I did the surgery, Maya. I wanted to surprise you and show you that I could see again. But instead, you surprised me.
Why didn't you tell me you could see? Why did you pretend?
Is that really what you're gonna say right now? You're mad that I didn't tell you? Just so you could find a better way to hide your cheating affairs?
Ethan, please. I am so sorry. It was a mistake. I swear. I was lonely. I was stressed about your condition, and my friends got into my head. Please forgive me.
Save your tears, Maya. I have already forwarded all the video evidence, the security tapes, and the financial records to my lawyer. You should be expecting your divorce letters by tomorrow morning. And let me make one thing very clear to you. This is my house, bought with my money before I ever met you. You won't receive a single dime from me.
Please, Ethan, don't do this to me. Where will I go? I love you, please.
Pack your things and get out of my sight. I refuse to stay under the same roof.
With a woman who traded my dignity while thinking I was in the dark. Get out. Now.
Ethan, please forgive me. I don't know what came over me.
Get out. Now.
You guys spoiled my life. You ruined everything. Ethan did the surgery. He can see. He saw everything I was doing. He had cameras. He kicked me out and he's divorcing me with nothing. This is all your fault. Whoa, hold on a minute, Maya. How is that our fault? Did we tell you to bring Marcus into your husband's house? You knew. You encouraged me. Exactly. We gave you advice to protect your future. We didn't tell you to be reckless and stupid under his own roof. Don't blame your terrible mistakes on us.
Please, just let me stay here for a few weeks until I figure things out. Please, Jessica.
Absolutely not. My apartment isn't a storage unit for your drama. You can't stay here, Maya. You need to leave. Jessica, please. I have nowhere else to go. Marcus! Thank God you're here. Ethan kicked me out. I have nowhere to go. My friends turned their backs on me. Please, let me come stay with you.
Me? Maya, are you crazy? Let's look at reality. You completely betrayed and abandoned a man who genuinely loved you, cared for you, and provided for you.
The very moment you thought he was vulnerable. If you can do that to him, I know for a fact I can never trust you. You cannot stay with me.